Happy Monday, Anthony Special here with Big Energy Profits. Just wanted to give you a quick market update. Nothing terribly exciting. Last week posted about a 67-cent gain for WTI and about an 80-cent gain for Brent. Hardly even worth mentioning. It was really a flat week. Data shows that the so-called money managers have been taking money off the table, probably as they see the OPEC Plus meeting is dampening down on the oil market a little bit, meaning that they are opening up their floodgates. They are adding to production. So with that being said, there's always this balance of supply and demand, which of course is regulated by, the economy itself creating the demand, and the supply regulated by OPEC Plus and other outside of the OPEC countries that produce oil as well. From a standpoint of what's going on here at Big Energy Profits, I just this morning released to my membership two brand new, I want to call them longer term, low risk, high probability energy sector stock picks. These are trades that will likely take several weeks to several months to transpire, but the beautiful thing about them is they're leveraged in the options market. So one of them you can get options on for as cheap as about $1.45 a piece, and the other one's about $3.50. So they're not terribly expensive. If you have a small account, you're just starting out, you want some exposure to these low risk, high probability trades, it's easy to get in them in the options market with a very little bit of capital. You get that leverage position. We have 3 targets on each of them, so we'll scale out along the way, 50% out, 25 and 25 as it continues to move for us. So we will lock profit as these trades transpire in the direction that I suspect that they will. Now, for the near term, just a broad stroke on the technical analysis side of the energy market, particularly the WTI, the mid $57 area should serve as fairly firm floor, at least for the near term, and the mid $62 area should serve as a fairly firm ceiling. So we're going to play in this give or take $5 range until we have some clear conviction of which direction the market's going to travel beyond either one of those areas. So that's kind of where we're going to play. Now, what happens when we're stuck in these areas? Well, we have daily and weekly trade ideas that we also put out here at Big Energy Profits, and they're based on shorter term trading, and it gives you the opportunity to get bites out of these intraday moves as the market moves up and down. So when the market is not trending well for us, and while we're getting set up for bigger moves, we still have opportunities to make money. And that's been my objective with the service. My objective is to fulfill a trader's needs from start to finish, whether they're short-term, mid-term, or long-term position style traders. My goal is to produce something that fits well for each and every one of my family members. So if you'd like to learn more how you can get involved in Big Energy Profits, how you can have exposure to my analysis, to my stock picks, my ETF picks, my option plays, my futures picks, there's a link directly below this video. Click on it, check out the training webinar. You'll learn a little bit more about myself, my history, what the service is built upon, how I trade, my style of trading, and if you think it's a right fit for you, we would love to welcome you to the Big Energy Profits family. Guys, with that, I wish you a blessed day, a blessed week. I hope it's a profitable one for everyone, and we'll talk soon. Take care.